Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to share just one part of a Google Sheets document without sending the whole thing, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through how to export a specific worksheet or even a particular range of cells from Google Sheets straight to a PDF. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a polished, professional PDF from just the data you need, all with a few quick clicks. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you want to make sure you already have your data organized in your Google Sheet. So if you're looking to export a specific worksheet, maybe it's your monthly budget or a project report, open up the file and click into the exact sheet you want to turn into a PDF. This way you're setting things up so you don't accidentally export the wrong part. It sounds basic, but trust me, double-checking here can save you from redoing the whole process. Now once you're viewing the worksheet you want, head over to the menu bar at the top and look for the File option. Click on File and then hover down to Download. A side menu will pop up, and from those options, you'll want to select PDF Document PDF. This is where Google Sheets starts working its magic and brings up a preview window. You'll notice a pop-up appearing in the center of your screen, and this is really where you get control over what exactly goes into your PDF. Take a look at the top right of this preview. Here you'll see a drop-down labeled Export. By default, it might try to export the entire spreadsheet, but you can narrow it down. If you want to save the whole current worksheet as a PDF, choose Current Sheet. This ensures you're only exporting that particular tab, not everything else in your file, perfect for keeping things tidy when sharing with colleagues or clients who only need to see one part. But what if you only want a part of the worksheet, maybe just a specific table or a few rows that are relevant? In that case, before you go into File Download, you can highlight the cells you want. Back in the PDF preview window, there's also the option to select selected cells. Choose this and Google Sheets will only export that highlighted area. Think of it like cropping a photo, you're focusing attention just on the essentials. Take a moment here to review the preview. If something's not lined up the way you want or you realize you grabbed the wrong section, no worries. Just close out of the dialog, make your adjustments, and try again. Sometimes playing with the print area or adjusting the scale can help get everything looking just right. This might take a few moments, especially the first time, so don't feel rushed. Once you're happy with how the preview looks, all that's left is to click on Export. Your file will be generated and downloaded as a PDF. Now you've got a neat document ready to share, email, or print without any extra unrelated sheets getting in the way. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to export exactly the data you want from Google Sheets to a PDF. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. That really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or need help with a tricky situation, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical how-tos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.